acronym record, it's apply condition, case statement. Those I have mentioned here while adding a gender. If gender adding a one gender is equal to added a one, then he can apply as a M. You need to first declare a variable like a declare statement, and then assign a return data type. And then after that you want to set like a set is equal to at a particular your variable as a gender and is equal to default value. Then while inserting a student as a simple, you can assign that gender, add the gender, because you have already set one value for that variable, so it automatically added. But while adding that variable, will check the condition, apply the condition on that variable basis. If someone added one value, those we have set up upper side, then we can compare that condition with the m, those I have expected value, else f. Yes, because it's one is taking like a string in that in that in that format of the in that format varchar value we can insert in your our database or table. With a different data type. Yes, we can perform with M and else. Then we need to uh, uh, modify our condition. Yes, yes. This set is our my default value. You just add 0 if I want to change default value, and if I execute one more time, so it can return me as a f, because the logic behind is I have checked condition is gender is equal to 1, then uh, sorry, gender is equal to 1, then assign m. if uh, if I assign apart from 1, so we get else result as a f. I'm just working with that example almost. Yes, and yes, okay, okay. So we can add. Yes, we can do that also. Uh, let me just add a column. So if that you want a virtual column name, right? Yep. Okay. Okay. We'll do it with that also. For example, I have C with the above one case statement is equal to status as a yes. I'll just do it. uh, Approach is like I'll create a to means will explain just give me 2 minutes. So my approach is like that. I'll check the same as above. We'll check a condition with when if I got addition of greater than 150, then we can just simply get that value with the using of aggregate function as I expected my value is a total. Then same as a for second condition also and third condition also, and we can that total keep as a in total column. If just written right, just I have written in front of all. As it totals. Student roll number is invalid, then select list because it is not contain either an aggregate function or group by. Group by plus column student one dot roll number. Uh, Actually, as mm, column student one dot roll number is invalid in the select list because is not contained in either an aggregate function or the group by group by clause. Mm, Aggregate function I use sum here, and I just sum its addition of both columns and return the value. Perform addition. Uh, Integer numbers. Yes, call. Yes. It will do the addition as a row wise. So I think no need to write addition over there. I think not. Uh, okay. It's it's addition with column wise, not row wise. Right, right, right. It's addition with column wise, not row wise. So we can just simply add plus. Okay. Mm, okay. I think it work. Work here. The value fail data type int. Fails. They'll be converting a worker to data type. Okay, because it's expect that virtual column has all integer data. I think yes, we getting it. Yes. After that means we need to add two more column in that. If, so so yes, yes, yes. I'll just forget. I'll remember that thing, but while working with, so I'll just sometime vanish. Yes. So I have work. I have case statement work used with order by clause also. So uh, like the below this. Yes. For example, if yes, I have just early morning I have done. So I'll show the demo with the stored procedure. But after completion of this clause with case statement, so we'll execute that one also. Okay. So basically, order by statement, it can be ordered city as a numerical wise, like numerical. Sorry, by mistake, say as alpha numeric. Like if I ordered by city, so it can be start with A, B, C, D, E. That kind of order will show in our table. Like currently, our ascending order right now. I'll miss that word. So if I order by city, it can be ordered like Andhra Pradesh, Bangalore, Kolkata, C, D. E. So if I work with case query while ordering this, I just yesterday seen some videos. So in that we get example. So we'll try to execute that one. So basically from student is equal to order by, then we can order by. So then we can start after that case is when select count uh, select count will explain count is equal to our like okay, so basically my approach is I'll just count gender that MFF if, and I'll provide a condition if my uh, uh, gender is, for example, we have considered as M is greater than 5, then we can sort, then we can order by as a city name. If my gender is less than 5 or 10, then it can sort by our student name. That I have my approach while using with order by clause in case statement. So just simply we can write here gender name from our student, and Uh, can I scroll down? I'll just forget that query. Uh, mm, yes, yes. Okay. Yes. So that one. So when select the count gender from student one, where gender is equal to m is greater than 10. So basically, I'll just form that a uh, what male gender as a male. If that is greater than 10, then yes, 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 yes. So basically, I'll the perform this operation using a count of gender. So if in my table I'll get a count of male as a greater than 10, then we sort by city. Else it can sort by student name. So basically this order by its work with the whole depends on this case query. For inside query, it count gender and return gender value, and when where gender is equal to m is greater than, for example, I'll 10, so it can be sorted by city. uh, they so gender 1 minute, yes. Male is not greater than 10, male is greater than 5, then it can write by city, else we can sorted by student name. So here we can see the data will be sorted by student name, because in my table m is not greater than 10. As you see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, only 8 entries m in my table, so that's why it sorted by student name. If i if i just greater than gender name is equal to 3, so obviously it's m is more than 3 in my table, so we'll just execute that one. It can be sorted with our city name. So that we have used case statement with different statement with, and the second one is joins. So basically i w- I want to join. I'll join that at two tables. Okay. So basically join is joining a two table uh, whenever means I'll start with uh, freshly. So basically, we can does not keep bulk of data in one table. So in that case, we need to use multiple tables. But that tables contain a particular object information, or hold that tables a particular object information. That time we need to join that table, so that time we need to use joins. That is the use of joins. And join simply type five type of joins. uh, First as inner join, then left join, second one is third one is right join, fourth one is full join, and fifth one is self join. So while concatenating two tables, we need to use join, and joining in the table in the basis of column data, common data, while joining two tables in the basis of joining a data. So I have two tables like, I have two tables, employee and employee departments. So in that my two tables, I have employee EID and EID. The both are common in the both tables. So will the with the help of that columns we are join in we perform inner join. So basically that join we can use in our stored procedure. So we just write stored procedure. Okay. So okay. So basically, the syntax of joining a two tables is select your column means required column name with the table one alias from table one alias. Then particular join. After that, we can write a second table is equal to alias name. On that, first column table one alias dot first column is equal to table two alias dot that second column means your common column. Uh, we can write in on conditions. So in that we basis on the that we can join the two tables using of our common column is EID. In that we in yes. So yesterday Mosam shared says as we need to apply join using a stored procedure. So just as you know the procedure syntax yesterday I have already explained. So just I'll create a procedure procedure name sp proc. Currently, I have only two tables with the primary and reference key concatenation. Yes, I need to create one more. So, I yes begin and then end. So this is begin and then is to start procedure as begin. I have created procedure. Stock already in database. So yes, the join that have write over here as a left side table is a left table, and after join I have written as a employee department that is our right table while joining two tables. Employee department as a join before on after join before on, and the left table is from uh, before join we have written left table like uh, left join you just need to write over there left join. So basically it can form employee table. For example, I'll show from employee table, all left column will be joined with our department table. That's it. That is yes, because we have joined the columns of from left side. Those we have not mentioned in department or column, that also joined with the left join while using this left join. Like from apart from that, I have not done. Just I'll work with case and that store procedure with the joins. Uh, yes, yes, yes. So yes, 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 sure. Yes. Can I stop this? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Are you able to see my screen? So, good morning, all. Yesterday, I was discuss about in Windows function, but in my network issue, it can be continued today. So, my next Windows function is rank Windows function. So, what is the rank? Rank his name is suggested to to giving the rank such a rows in column. Row the rank is assigned such a rank one given to the first row, and rows having the same value, they are assigned the same rank for the and the for the next rank after the two same rank value, one rank value will be skipped. So I will be show you. This is my table, and I will be assign the rank and run this query as a my column name sales rank. So it will be yes. See that this my sale rank 3 is they both are same. So in this case, rank will be skip four number and is take after the four is fifth number. So this is a okay, and this is a next is a dense rank. Uh, sorry, but I want to get a partition in between the department column. So here I will be apply the rank. So it's should be apply the rank on department wise. This is my department one. In department one, three rows are, so rank will be applied to one, two, three. Exact like that. Yeah, department wise. And the another Windows function is dense rank. Dense rank is same similar that the rank, but it's in one difference that the dense rank are the provide are give sorry gains dense rank is giving the number of numbers, but in not skip to the matching number. Yeah, I will be show you. uh, this is a I will be show you the difference between the dense rank and dense rank and rank. Y- This is the both the query are rank and dense rank. I will be executed this. So my sales rank is a rank and dense. I will be the dense rank. So dense rank. What is the dense rank? Dense rank is giving the number to the same. Is this 3 and 3 is same, but it not skip 4. It after the after the same number is to take a serial wise number like 4. Okay, is it's keep the number in serial wise is 4 is yes sir. And next window function is row number. uh, Row number the row number is it assign the con, consistent integral to the row with it's a simple like I will like to show you. It give the number of serial wise the all the my all rows. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, and next one is entile. What is the entile? Entile entile function is a divide the row in our requirement. Just like that. This is my 11th row in my table. Sorry, 10 row. 1 2 3 4. Yeah, 10 row is my table. So I would like to divide this row in two. So what will we do in entile? Entile will divide the cell column in two in two. So what will be rejected? The one rejected 5 column is my 1 1 1, and 5 column is my 2 2 2, like that. Okay. So partition over here. Entire. Yes. Yeah. Whenever you using the entire, you think about that the some like the your employees is 15 50 your employees. So if you divide in five, so five categories. So if you apply the entire five, so your employees is divided in five column, five department or five group. uh, so 50 is divided by 5 is equal to 10. So one group is your one group is 5 number or 10 number. Can you get it, sir? Or am I uh, I mean, okay. Hmm. So yeah, you will be applied. It will be apply in your rows, your employees number, or your employees is 10 employees. So if you apply the on uh, wo- if you require those bits, if you apply employee ID, if you apply product ID, yeah, it will be divide your employees in your require entile like one, two, three, four. If you give the rank in your rows numbers, it divided in rows. Oh, okay, 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 okay. Yeah, the next function is lag. So, what is the lag? Lag is showing the next result to us, uh, and next row result to us. Hello, no, sorry, lag is showing the previous result to us, and lead showing the next result to us. So, while we applying the lag, uh, this first of all, I will show you my table. So, yeah, uh, I write down the select employee ID, product ID, department, lag, sales, and is over order by sales year. So I want to previous year sale. So I will apply this. So see that it is my result. One, over condition. Over condition. Oh, over 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 function will be compulsory use with lag and lead. Hello. Uh, yeah, it is a show the next yes, lag function is previous result to show the previous result. I want to I want to see the previous result in here. So if we apply the lag, so will we take a result from previous year? Okay. League and lag and city, sir. City is a common table expression. City is a common table expression and with clause. It when, whenever we writing the bigger query uh, like the joins, subquery, and subquery. Uh, so uh, with clause in SQL, this in there's a simplify the complex long query, especially joints and so, so though with clause, it's also called as with clause, and with clause is considered a temporary table. The result is not permanently stored in anywhere in the database schema. So I will, yes, yes, sir, surely. So here we syntax. uh, w- uh, al- always the we are thinking about the SQL query in start with the select clause, but it is not, not right. The uh, SQL query is start also with clause, and here we use using the with clause. So here the syntax is with, and my common table CT common table expression, the my virtual table name here, and then after the attribute, and next one is uh, sorry, attribute, and we will we will like as, and then after the my subquery, my subquery, yeah, yeah, requires city, because uh, let's I will show you, and then after subquery, this is the main query. So here we what is to do. So first of all, subquery run with my city, and my city table is store your virtual table store in my object, my database, like just temporary, only temporary, and then after my main query result with showing here. So the result will display. Okay. So I will write down the simply the one as query, like select, yeah, 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 select star. Yeah, yeah, yes, this is my employee, this is my employee table, and I want to fetch data who earn more than average salary from all employees. So what can we do? So first of all, this is my, and next one is, this is my table select star from, and I would like to condition like where, and this is my allies with table, and this is a e dot salary is greater than average salary, but in my table average salary is not it in not in my table. So so what can we do? So here we use in with clause. So simply write the with, and what do you want? So I want the city, my table name is in average salary. So I will write that this is my salary column, and give give my column name like average salary, average salary, and my next condition is s, sorry, as but I want to in average salary. So what will I I will be used in aggregate function, like as, and then after my subquery, this is this is a subquery. So I want to write this subquery like that, the select uh, select average. I want to average from which column, where the column is column name sorry, column name is salary. salary from my my table name employee 2 and column completed. And this is my simple. So but now this is my where condition e dot salary, and this is my city table. So I will replace it with it and uh, give the alias like my AV. So and here also my yes, yes and alias AV. So 1 minute, 1 minute. No, no, sir. I will write here. Just mistake. What is the select star from? Yeah, this is all. My main query. मेन पूरी तो वैसी है ठीक है फर्स्ट ओ
एवरेज
वन वन एक 1 मिनट 1 मिनट व्हाट सर क्या बोल रहे भाई सैलरी
नथिंग नथिंग वो कुछ तो आपका एलियास क्रिएट हो रहा है ना लास्ट वाला एवरेज सैलरी का एवी आई थिंक
ये सॉरी
वो
सॉरी
तो
मिस्टेक हो रहा है मेरे से ना ये यहाँ टेबल नेम
आई
ये सेम हो रहा है मोर स्पेस कॉपी यस यस ये सिले मिस्टेक यस एवी डॉट चाहिए वो यहाँ कर रहा था हो गया भाई हाँ, क्या हो रहा है तो no, sir. I will just show you just 2 minutes that uh, बहुत मेहनत किया है बना अटक कहाँ अटक रहा हूँ सर just 2 minutes hold it I will show you the result this average salary from employee to select star from dot employee average salary as EV sir everything where the salary is greater than E dot salary. So what are the average salary? Invalid the column name of invalid salary. What? अरे सॉरी सर क्या हुआ पता नहीं बट yeah I know about the syntax and this but can you one thing about that another table I will show you so this is the yeah yeah fast yes yeah yeah fast it no 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 this is my this is my table. I will show you. Select from brand. This is my table, and this same like sir. I can be used in CTE and my Windows function in the index query. So I will be show you. This is my table, and so I want to find, the those the brand who's the increasing with every year sales increasing. Yeah, one minute. Yeah, table. Yeah, here the three brand are, and uh, 3 years of sales, the each brand. And my question is, so which brand is increasing sale per year? So see that the Apple is 2018 is 45,000, 2019 is 35,000, and next one is 75,000. So it's not growth in per year, but Samsung is 2018 is 15,000, 2019 is 25,000, and 2017 35,000. So his growth in year wise. Yeah, so our result is this is our accepted result. Okay, and Nokia is, so what can we do? So this is my table, select star from. And the earlier we learn about the lead function. What is a lead function? A lead function is its function to giving the result to next record. So we will use here. So simply write, so lead, and I want to lead, I want to show in my amount row, amount column. So this, simply write the lead. And whenever we use the lead, always be over clause. So over clause. And uh, I want to partition in brand wise. So simply write in partition by brand. And also I want to group by so year wise. So we write partition by order by year, year by. So so my result is, 1 minute, 1 minute. ओ भाई ये क्या हो रहा है यार का? So let's see that. So my next column and result is like 75. This is but I want to give the condition and with expression. So I will be applying case expression. So what will we do? So simply we will write case case when my amount. So I will be amount the case statement. Sorry, case statement in amount. So we will write the column name amount. Uh, I want to so what will we do? So case here is amount, and I want to those amount is less than next year. So when the case when amount is less than next year, and the I will be written by. then one is zero and so I will be simplify to understand. Let's see that. So here be result show in my case statement. So 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1. But here I will be name the my case statement as a flag. Yeah, this flag I am creating because this I want to those record fetch from this. So in 1 1 1 not equal to 0, because the like see that this 0 it 0 whenever the next record is more than previous record is it's show me the 0. So here my brand Apple, and here will be the 0 1. So it will be result shows 1 is only year wise. Yes, sir. This is a comparison comparison. Next year amount. Yes, year and amount. So uh, 45,000, and my next year. Yes. Apple amount 2018 in 45,000, but in next year 2019 Apple amount is 35,000. So 35 is less than 45. So is it could be showing 0. And whenever when Apple is sale in 2020 is 35,000, and the previous year 2019 is 35,000. So it could be 1, because the hits increase the sale in this year. But I want to those brand who's increase the sale in per year. So my condition is 1 1 1, so whole the 1 1 1. But here see that the Samsung is like it's 0. But why it is 0? Because the uh, after the 2020 ninth record, it's not showing next record. So it's anything compare. So it takes 0. So 19. Yeah, and then the is 0. So what will we do? So lead is uh, lead also using three yeah, what it uh, three, three syntax are like the column name, and this is the offset value like 1. So I want to only 1 this year. And another is a default. I want to default value from here to I want to 1. So what will we do? This is my amount. This is my amount, and I want sure. So its amount is plus 1. It's always more than previous record. So see the result. What is this? Yeah. So here getting the 3 1, but no, this is a not full per year, but it is a not to fulfill my condition. So I want to only those brand who's increasing. So I want to only Samsung. Sure. So Samsung. So what we will do? So so we use with clause or city. So simply write down with clause our city as so this is my subquery. So I will so take a bracket to this and write down the my main query. What is the my query? The select uh, from my table name, friends, and what my condition. So my condition is where I will be sorry apply the condition to where the brand is. So what we want? So brand is nothing but zero. It one only is not a zero. So I will be applying not in condition. The where brand in not in and my again subquery select brand from my is temporary is its subquery is getting result from temporary table. So this is the select brand from city. So what my condition in my city, so where flag is equal to zero. So yeah, what is the does in there? So it is first of all so my subquery is run and this result is stored in cte, and then after my main query so in cte table my flag is equal to zero. It's not a taking result from this table. Those record is zero, so it will be take only one record. So execute this query. Bismillah. Yeah, it's my result. Samsung is say, in yes, sir. Yeah. Okay. 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 Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
हेलो हाँ कौन
Hello, sir. I am complete my topic in inbuilt function from ABS to till date difference. Here ABS function is return the absolute value of a number and convert a positive negative value in positive value. Here example, negative value into positive value. Positive. First is positive number is converted into positive value. Here negative value is converted into positive value. Mm, Next one is ABS, absolute. Sorry, sorry. There is same actually. ACOS, return the arc cosine of a number. As an return arc sine number. Add-on is return tangent value, and add-on to its return two tangent value. Select average is return average value from column. A sorry, sir, value of expression which my salary column. There is my table, employee table, and I want to show average salary in my table. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. I am execute my employee table. This is my employee table, and I will execute average salary from my table for using this average function. Here is my average salary. Mm, Yes, yes, sir. Sir, here is five column in my table cell. Then addition all five salary columns and dividation by five. Then come to result is average salary. Sir, salary na? Yeah, salary. No, no, the salary, only salary. And ceiling, this is ceiling function. It is written to a smallest integer value less than equal to a number, and 25. It will be 25. 25. Yes, sir. One minute, ceiling is upper na. Smallest value ceiling. Yeah. No, sir. In this function, 25.44, the result it will be 26. 26. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 26. This next function is count. This this function is count to floor function. Uh, oh, okay, sir. Select floor. Okay. Floor. No, sir, I write a new query with floor function. Select minus select floor function 20.55. When the result is come to 25, and here select floor 9. 25, 25. Sir, because this is a floor function, and floor function uh, return the largest value of an integer uh, less than equal to number. This is a count function. Count function is return total value in column. Count function select count employee ID as how many uh, data in one column that displays count function. Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, Muslim is
You,
on
you
mute.
can continue, Wahid.
Okay, okay. 1 minute. I'm count function is return number of count in column. Execute empty table. And uh, five five records. Yeah, five employee ID, five records. Five
Why
employee
it will
ID,
return
five.
5? Because employee
Sir,
IDs are
because
5. Yeah?
employees are five. Yes,
Uh-huh.
yes.
Okay. Then what is this cot?
Code return the cosine of a number.
Good. What is next function?
Not something is degrees.
Degrees. What is?
Degrees converting to radians value.
Okay. And radians 2 degree. If I want to convert, how I can do that?
Radians using a radians function.
Using radian function. Can you write it after degree?
Yes, sir.
Please write it down. Good. What is the radian for 1.5?
सर radian is वो आता है सर अपना स्क्वायर ट्रायंगल उसमें यूज करते हैं त्रिज्या वगैरह जो
No, no.
करने
I'm asking. Execute the first one. The degree 1.5. Hmm.
ओके
So this is
give me
my.
one second. This is my it's a radians value. Sorry, degree value.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
What
Radians
value
convert
is
to
this? Give the name
hello.
of this. Give name to this value.
As alias
Mhm.
radians to degrees.
We cannot use spaces. This is my
Yes,
radians value. Okay. And this is
yes, yes, sir. This is a degree value. It convert to radians value.
okay. What is your exp next function?
Exponential function. Exp is an exponential function. Return a raise of the power of specified number.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So
So
if I write
power of specified number is
instead of 1, if I write 10, what it will be? The result of exp? Hmm?
10. Okay, so it will be, I think in 2 point something amount, sir.
2 point something. Execute it and let's check. What is exponential power?
Exponential power. One second, 25. It's a mathematical function,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
but I can't explain how to use and
Okay,
how to.
check the usability of this function first and then explain it again, huh?
Okay, sir.
Okay, what is next function?
Then after or is already done.
Yes, log.
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 Log is a convert a algorithm natural algorithm value. Return the
Logarithmic
natural
value.
algorithm logarithm
Logarithmic
value of a
value.
number. Logarithm value
Yes. Go next.
of, of a number.
Uh-huh.
And log 10 is return the natural logarithm value 10 number of base of 10.
If I write instead of 5, if I write 10, what will be the logarithmic value of 10 to the base 10?
Uh, Two base 10 numbers. So can I execute this query?
Before executing, it should be executed in your mind. You should be
Yeah,
able to understand the query. You are giving the
yeah.
command, so you should execute it in your mind and you should tell the result before it gives you the result. What it will
Can
do?
uh,
Not sure.
not sure, sir.
Write
One.
write 10.
Yeah.
Write 10 instead of 5.
Okay, okay.
Now execute it.
One.
Hmm. So log 10 to the base 10 is always
One.
1. Okay?
Yes. Always one. Okay.
Remember this one. This value is enough for you to remember. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Go next.
Okay. Maximum value.
Max.
Maximum
What is
value.
max?
This function is return the maximum value in
Uh-huh.
a
In a
column.
column. Very good. Which column you are referring to?
Here I am preparing a salary column
Good.
in a EMP table.
Okay. So what it will do?
It will do it execute after you will show the which employees have maximum salary in a
Good.
this table.
Good. What is next?
Minimum function. It can return a minimum value in a column.
Good. What is next?
This is a pi value.
Pi.
There is my pi value is 3.14, I think.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What is next?
Next is the power.
Power.
It return to uh,
What it will
it
return? What it will
it will
return?
return
Uh-huh.
64.
Good.
64.
Why?
Because 8 is the base,
Uh-huh. And
2 is the power.
good.
Then uh,
Very good.
and then is execute
Mm-hmm.
64.
Good. What is
जैसे अपन
next?
बोलते हैं मराठी वर्गमूल उस टाइप के अंदर.
Okay. Good. What is next?
So, radians
Okay.
rand value.
Uh-huh. What is this?
This is a random value
Good.
uh,
Hmm.
number.
Okay. What is next? How can you execute this rand value for me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
When when we execute repeat, then the value is changed.
Mm-hmm.
Here is a 7.136. Then after
We are not able to see
only
the result.
this functions use one argument. Yes,
It is same. Every time it is same.
yes, sir. Every time it is same,
Mm-hmm.
but can this function is always return a random value,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
but
Okay. What is next?
a round function.
What is round?
It's convert to only two digit. The it there is show the only 1.35. Round function is a specified decimal value. Here I can execute this function. Then only 1.35 is result will be displayed. Hello, hello, hello. Sir, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes,
Yes, yes, Vahid.
yes.
हाँ ये इसमें ना राउंड फंक्शन के अंदर जो लास्ट वाला जो डिजिट है डेसिमल का वो कट हो जाता है और इज डिस्प्ले ओनली 1.355 that tab is display only and after a sign function this this sign function return the sign
Everyone,
of
am I
number.
audible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Can you do
yes, sir.
it? Can you change the round value from 1.3, the next value, that is 5, change it to 2?
Yes,
No, no, not that value. I'm asking you to change the
first
5. The second thing, the second value, which the second parameter. Yeah. Change it to 2. Now execute it. What? Hold on. What will be the result? First tell me.
1.352.
1.352 will be the result.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Execute it.
Hmm.
What is the result?
350 350 only
Why?
350.
Why?
Sir, because 52. Sorry, I can't explain that.
Anybody from the group? Anybody from the group want to explain why it is rounding off? Wahid?
Yes,
I'm
sir.
sorry, Rizwan?
Because it's give the number two. So is round up the five. After decimal, two numbers is round up.
Good. So it is rounding off after decimal. So it will start, Wahid, it will start counting
Yes, sir.
after decimal. So decimal, where is your decimal?
Decimal 3.52.
Yes, point is your decimal. So it
Yeah.
counting from 3, 5, 2. Now you have given as two values. So you need only
Yeah.
two values from 352. So what it will do, it will convert the third value to
0.
0. Got it. Good. Okay. What is
Okay, sir.
this next?
Sign function. Return the sign of a number. And this function is three condition.
Hmm.
Is a number is a less than 0,
Hmm.
it will display result minus 1.
Okay.
And second condition number is greater than 0, it will be display 1,
Hmm.
positive number,
Hmm.
only 1.
Hmm.
And third condition, if number is equal to 0, then display 0.
Okay. So do this like minus 10. Make it minus 10.
Yes,
Okay. Now execute. What result it will give?
minus 1.
Okay. Let's check it out. Great. Change it to plus 10.
1 minute. Let's spin. It will be 1, only 1.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Great. Change it to 0.
0. Then it
Uh-huh.
show will be only 0.
Huh?
0.
Uh-huh.
Result will be 0. 0.
Hmm.
Then after square root,
Mm-hmm.
this is the square root function is written the square root of a number.
Hmm.
Here I put in 25, the result
Mm-hmm.
it will be 5.
Okay. Great. What is this? The next
And
one?
then square,
Square.
square written the square of a number. Here
Okay.
I put a 10 value, the result will be 100.
Square of 10. Okay.
Square of 10 is will be result 100.
Hmm. Okay. Good. What is next?
Next is date function.
Date functions. Okay. Good.
Yes.
Scroll
First,
up.
एक minute, I will explain. First, the current timestamp function.
Okay.
This function is display the current date and time in system. Hello.
Yes. Yes.
This function is display current date and time
Uh-huh.
in system.
Okay.
And second one is get date.
Mm-hmm.
This also display the date and time in a system.
Mm-hmm.
Third one is the get UTC date. It is a universal date and time. When I
Belt names
display,
में
I execute this query, then result will be display universal time with our
हाँ
system.
मालूम मुझे बोलता मैं उसको
Hello,
yes
hello.
Yes. Oh, continue.
yes continue
And after function is date. When is date function is return the difference between. Sorry, is date function is a checks checks an expression and return then expression is true, then return 1, and it's false, then return 0. Here I insert is the dead is a dead format, then its return will be 1. And there is a I inserted a wrong dead 232. Then I will execute this query. Result will be display 0 because it is not a dead. And after this function, no, sir, I am not execute this query. Yeah, display 0. Then after this data function, how to we will use this function. We can add in that year, month, week, day of years, hours, time, second. This all parameters will be inserted in date using this data function. Here first I added 1 year. In this my date is 1/1/22, and I use data function. The year added only 1 year add. His display will be 1/1/23 to 23. Hello, hello, sir. Yes, yes. Then here data here function is a four type four we can add a four type. We can add year, we can add y, we can add two y, and only one y. This using we added here in this function. And another how to add a quarter month in our date. Here select date added quarter means uh, after January add in 3 months in January. Here when I execute this query here display result for April 1 April 22. There are three there are also three types to be inserted quarter function. Yeah, here is a add function. Yeah, yeah. Date of year, week, yeah, and weekday, hours, uh, second, millisecond. Yes, sir. Today's date, na? Yes, sir. Okay. Which function, sir? Okay, okay. Okay, sir. It is one select one minute. I will get it. Select. Here we actually use a date added function. Date added function, and here universal interval is a year because we want to minus 1 year. Then interval add a year. Here minus one. Sir, because from system data here, any other years. Okay, okay, okay. Date years. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so date at. Um, data function. Okay, 1 minute. The date diff is different into between two dates. Here, no? Yes, sir. Here we can show the date difference between year difference between two date in this date. Yes, sir. Quarter difference is that the month is it? Yes, sir. Okay. Sir, here we write the year, then display will be year difference. When we write a quarterly QQ, then result it will be display quarterly difference. Here a result it will be uh, this to date. Yes, sir. This the difference it the the difference is will be two data year difference to the yeah, yes sir, yes sir. This date will be quarter wise different. Yes sir, yes. And बस सर इतना ही किया मैं ओके सर हेलो हाँ यस सर ओके सर Sir, in this function, I have some problem when I find this query in online, but there is not available this function type of cos sign. Uh, this query did not display properly. This only display the uppercase, lowercase, minimum value, maximum value. So how can I get more query with use this function? Yes, sir. I am complete that function, but only that difference till that difference. Yeah. After that is a that separator, I think, and that name is there. That separator is there. Yes, sir. Sir, I am not properly practice do that function. That's why I'm not explaining now. Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Hello. Sir, it is visible to you. The screen is visible. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. 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 I'm creating a table. Create. Create table. Table name. Table. Create table. Table name. Then I'm declaring the column value. Columns. ID as ID as integer, and I am applying primary key constraint to this column. Next, name name column. I'm attaching the data type to name column varchar, specifying its length, then applying unique constant to it. Sorry, not unique. I will apply not null. Then age integer is the data type is integer, and I will apply check constraint to age is greater than 18. Now now city varchar I'm data type specifying its length and applying default constraint to it. In this way, I have completed the table, created the table. Now, I am selecting all the column of a table of this table. Next, select star from school. Constraint mean constraint the rules we apply on the table while we are inserting the values in a column. Yes, yes. Primary key is it is a combination of not null and unique means while we insert the data in column, so it will be also unique and also not null. That is we call as primary key. And in not null, next constraint is not null, so it will ensure that the value we insert in a column it will be a value, it will not be a not null. uh, yes. Next, next is check constraint. So while we insert the data in a column, so check will specify the condition, or check the condition means that the entered data means entered age will be greater than 18. If it will be less than 18, so it will show us error. Yes. Next is default. So if we enter the city what we want to enter the value in a column, it will accept. But if we insert default, so we have entered default as Pune, so it will take down Pune in the column. Yes, 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 sir. Insert into table name values. Now I will insert the value in it. Let's start from so here ID is numeric is for integer, so I will type integer value. Now name is varchar, so in a single inverted comma I will type the name for it. Yes, this is Majid. Next, age is integer value, so 19. Next is city, so next is city, so I will write next is for city Mumbai. Yes. So I'm here Mumbai. Yes, yes.
वो सिंगल कोट रही है ना उधर 90 की बाजू
19 के बाजू में
माजिद नाम के ऊपर मतलब माजिद माजिद है ना माजिद
हाँ हाँ वहाँ रहेगा ओके
बस
हाँ जी now the Yes, I have inserted the values in it. Yes. Okay. Oh, as a, cannot insert the null value in column name table master DBO school. Column does not allow null value. Insert fail. So, oh, yes, yes. Violation of primary key constraint. PK school cannot insert duplicate key in object DBO school. The duplicate key value is 1. Yes. Yes. Now it will show error with the age. Ah. The insert statement conflicted with the check constraint. The conflict occurred in database master DBO table DBO school column age. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, it will also show error. If I write greater than equal to, so it will accept it. If yes, 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 yeah, yes, yes. So city name is default. So this problem I was encountering again and again. If I write default here, so it will take Pune. But while I'm practicing, it is taking default only. So I'm not able to recognize it. Means yes, I have practiced it, but I'm getting same problem again and again. So yes, sir.
Sorry, Faisal, for disturbing you. Just
Yes,
one thing, you have put it at default in a single inverted comma, and this is because it's staying is taking it in as a string. So if you remove
okay.
that single inverted comma, this default work.
Here in
Yeah,
the
thank you.
insert.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Change. Yes, it is blue. Okay. Yes, sir. No, no. Sir. Yes. Ah, yes, this is already present. Yes, yes. Now it is okay. I will. Oh no, here the value is no. Yeah, the value was repeated for primary key. Yes, it is. Now I will select all the column from the table. Yes, and now it the default value has been accepted as Pune. Yes. No, no, sir. Yes, 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 sir. Yes. Next coming Saturday. Yes, sir. Yes, I will be completing 5 videos. Uh, yes. All 10 videos, sir. Yes, I will be. Yes, yes. Oh, thank you, sir.
Yes, sir, sir. Yes, sir. And I have, yeah, yeah, sir. Just creating table and inserting values. Yes. Only two, sir. Because, yeah, yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 sir. I know, I know. Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Actually, no, but in, yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Screen is shared, sir. Yeah, yeah, yes. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah. Okay, new query. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. First, create table and table name, for example, student, student. Then values, values is student name, s name, and data types varchar, and size 20. Then comma and roll number, roll number. Then data type integer. Then comma uh, address, student address, s address. Then data types varchar and size 20. Complete. Okay. Then execute. Okay. Commands completed successfully. Then we can easily insert values in this table using insert into then table name. Table name is student. Then values, and first value is name, as our table name of the student, for example, Taha. Then comma and roll number, for example, roll number is 1. Then comma and address, for example, Jalgaon. Okay. Then complete and execute. So values, Taha, address, okay, semicolon. Okay, okay, sorry. single quote is there, and again single quote is here for a string. Then execute. Okay, one row affected, and select star, select star from table. Table name is student. Student. Then execute. Okay, one table is created, and yeah. Okay, then select select EMT. Oh, sorry, student. Then address, as address. Address. Uh, select as a student and as address. Where roll number. No, actually, just I have at night just install SSMS and how to create table. Just I saw only was one record. Okay, okay. Student, select star. Only address, right? Address. Select then student, and okay, and okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Stop sharing. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah. Hello team. Hello. Yes. Okay. Today I am explaining where clause, then after that having clause, and then after that inner function, inner value, inner clause. Okay, first one is where clause. I just randomly explain where clause. What is where clause? Where clause is a make the data as per criteria or as per condition, as per requirement, you can say. For while we use where clause, where clause is used for filter the data. For while we use where clause, there need to be multiple conditions. There is need to be multiple condition. There is a multiple operators in where clause, like greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, and not equal to. This is the this all operator are used for only single condition. And then second is the most popular variable, yeah, operators and or